Hi, it's Anna with WTI. I love coffee in all forms. Sometimes I like it hot, but sometimes I like iced coffee. So Willow in Everett has made it so incredibly easy to make my own iced coffee at home with this adorable little jar here. It's about the same size as a 1 gallon of milk, so you can imagine how much room it would take up in your fridge. You put 1.5 cups of coffee in, you fill it with water, and you just let it sit overnight. And then next morning you wake up to delicious iced coffee. It also will work really well in the summer when I like to have infused water or have tea. Everything is really well made. The spigot does not leak. It is really nice. It's easy to turn on and off. It's just a really cute jar overall. I really like that I can spend a few minutes on Sunday night, make coffee, and then I have iced coffee that will last me all week. If you love coffee as much as me or any other infused beverage, Willow in Everett has this adorable jar just for you. Enjoy it as much as I have. And that is my delicious point of view.